Everyone, my name is Daoud, and this is my video prototype walkthrough for my redesigned Finder search interface for macOS. So the goal of this project was to improve the search experience within the Mac Finder interface based on some real user feedback gathered through surveys, heuristic evaluations, and usability testing. So my first prototype was for something called Smart Suggestions. So based on need findings, many users had trouble remembering exact file names, so I introduced an AI-powered suggestion dropdown that updates in real time as users type. So here you'll see examples such as PDFs from last week or files from Sarah, phrases that users might naturally use in conversation. These suggestions are generated using recent file history and macOS metadata. This design aims to reduce friction and improve speed of discovery. This change was actually inspired by users expressing their frustration about needing to guess file names. The predictive logic here is designed to meet users where they are, especially when under time pressure or searching from memory. Now, my next prototype is going to be enhanced filtering panel. So what it does right over here is this search bar. There's an icon here for a filter. Once you select it, this filter opens up. If you click it again, the filter disappears. And the original Finder interface had filtering, but many users weren't even aware that advanced filters existed. So this new drop-down filter interface makes it visible right next to the search bar. So it gives users the option to search by file type, modification date, or the search scope into a specific folder, rather than having to guess keywords of putting kind, colon, file type, for example. So for example, here I'm filtering for PDFs modified in the last 24 hours and that are only inside my documents folder. So this dramatically improves the search precision without having to know complex or operators like the kind, PDF, or modified today. So the filter panel is intentionally lightweight and collapsible. Users during evaluation said that they liked they had the control to make it disappear without having too much clutter. So I added a subtle funnel icon to toggle on or off. And now my last one is search history. So as you can see here, there are some saved searches. We'll get into this in just a moment. So this is to save queries or the search history that you have. Users mentioned that they frequently need to repeat the same searches like work docs or project report. So this panel surfaces their most recent and pinned queries and offers a one-click way to rerun them. Users can also save a current query directly from the dropdown, and over time this makes search more personal and reusable. And during user testing, participants said that this felt like something Finder should have already had, which validated its inclusion. And another neat little feature over here is if you are searching for something and it's something you want to save, you can save the current search to pin it. So it gives a combination of both recent queries and pinned queries. If, for example, you're working on a project or a semester-long project, you're going to keep going back to, you can have it set over here to pin it. So yeah, these are three features: Smart Suggestions, Enhanced Filters, and Search History. They work together to streamline the Finder search experience. They focus on trying to reduce the effort, supporting natural behavior, and giving users more control. So thank you for watching, and I'm excited to hear some more feedback.